Hi, it's Kevin here from Team Focus. If you've ever created a workflow with a set of tasks that you think would be great for any project, or you might have a number of workflows that would be great for projects, with the new feature from Team Focus, you can share those into a new team quite easily. So it's really quite simple to share your workflows and tasks. Just go up to the Settings menu, Connections, and click Share Workflows. Now you just have to click Create New Code, and then it'll actually let you give a name. So you might have the Killer Project workflow. Let's call it Projects. Now you need to pick a workflow that you'd like to share. In this case I only have one. And now you need to say what steps you would like to copy the tasks from. You don't have to use any steps if you don't want to copy tasks. If you just copy the workflow, you just get the steps and all the values in the fields, but you don't get any tasks. If you click on these, you'll get all the tasks at that step. So in this case, I'd like to copy everything from the active step as well. All I need to do now is press Save and Close. So Team Focus has used the selections that you've just made and has now created a workflow share code. So whenever anyone creates a new team and needs a workflow, they can type in that workflow share code. They will get all the tasks and the steps and the fields that you've used in that workflow. So this is really useful if you've got something like a project and every project you ever do always has the same 50 tasks to start the project. Then you can just create a template team with just one or two users. You set up the workflows and all the tasks that you need. Then from then on, whenever you start a new project, you just type in that code and you get all those standard tasks every time. So let's see how that's used. First of all, I'll just copy that code into my clipboard. I'm just going to go up to the plus menu and add a new team. Okay, I'll just give that new team a name called New Project. And then I'll create the team. Okay, so this is the screen that comes up when you're adding a new team, whether you're a new user or an existing user. Now you can just pick the basic workflow, advanced workflows, you get a whole library, or if you've got a workflow share code, as we do here, you can just click on that link, paste in that series of numbers, and press go. Now you can see the workflow is now starting to copy. Okay, so that's all copied. Now my default filter is whatever the top filter was in the previous team. They've all been copied over as well. But if I see the active tasks here, I can see that. Remember, we only copied all the tasks from the active step. There's all my tasks. So if you were setting up a new project, and like I said, you had the 50 tasks that go with every single project, you can set them up really, really easily. So that's how easy it is to share a workflow with a whole lot of tasks. I hope you enjoy using Team Focus. Thanks for your time.